Ndewo ụmụnne m, kedu ka unu mere? Eji m n'aka na unu dị mma, dị n'udo, na unu enweghị nsogbu ọbụla. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are fine. I hope you are doing well. Last video we treated animal vocabulary where I mentioned names of some animals. In this video we are going to do family vocabulary. Here I'm going to mention names of people you will find in a family. Alright? Okay. N'onyonyo nke taa, m ga na-akpọpụta aha ndị ị ga na-afụgasị n'ime ezinụlọ. Akpọgo m okwu nka ezinụlọ. Ezinụlọ. Gịnị bụ ezinụlọ n'oyibo? Ezinụlọ n'oyibo pụtara gịnị? Family. Family. So when you want to say family in Igbo language, you say ezinụlọ. Ezinụlọ. Family. What comprises a family? In a family, you will have father, mother, and their children. Abịa n'ezinụlọ, ị ga-ahụ nna, nne, na gịnị? Ụmụ ha. Nna, father, nna, father, nne, mother, nne, mother, ụmụ ha, their children. Nna, father, nne, mother, ụmụ ha, their children. Abịa n'ụmụaka, if you come to the children you find in a family, you see the male children and the female children, right? You see the male child and the female child. So when you want to say, when you are referring to the male children, you say ụmụ nwoke. They are talking about the male children, the sons of the family. Ụmụ nwoke. Ụmụ nwoke. But now, when you are referring to the daughters in the family, you say ụmụ nwanyị. Ụmụ nwanyị. Ụmụ. Note that anywhere you see ụmụ, you are talking in plural. Ikwubego maka ụbara. Anywhere you see ụmụ, know that you are talking in plural. Anywhere is written, anywhere you see ụmụ written, know that they are talking about plural. Okay, no longer singular. So when you see ụmụ nwoke, you have it up here that they are referring to not just one boy. They are referring to more than one boy, more than one son. Okay, when you now see ụmụ nwanyị, note that they are referring to more than one girl, more than one daughter. All right, so if you want to use ụmụ, that means you are changing the whole thing to plural. You are changing either the male or the female to plural. Ụmụ. Know that ụmụ is changing that thing to plural. All right. Ekwuru na ezinụlọ, ihe mejupụtara ezinụlọ bụ nna. Agwara m unu na nna pụtara gịnị? Father. Nne pụtara gịnị? Mother. Ụmụaka ha pụtara gịnị? Their children. Ngwakwa unu si na abịa n'ụmụaka, a na-enwe ụmụ nwoke, nwekwazịa ụmụ nwanyị. In the children you see in the family, you will see the male children and the female children. You see the sons and the daughters. Okay, so when you are referring to the sons or the male children, you talk about ụmụ nwoke. Ụmụ nwoke. When you are referring to the female or the daughters in the family, you say ụmụ nwanyị. Ụmụ nwanyị. Ụmụ. Ụmụ. Ụmụ nwoke, the sons. Ụmụ nwanyị, the daughters. Okay, ngwana ka anyị na-aga n'ihu. Anyị bịa na ezinụlọ, anyị ga-ahụkwa gịnị? Grandfather and grandmother. Grandfather and grandmother. If you want to say grandfather in Igbo, you say nna, nna. So remember that father means nna. Father means nna. So when you want to say grandfather, you double it. Nna, 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 nna. So when you want to be fast about it, you say nna, nna. nna, okay, but it's written nna. So the first nna, which is father, and another father, which is another nna. So nna, grandfather. When you want to say grandmother in Igbo, you say nne. Remember now, saying that nne means mother. When you want to say mother in Igbo, you say nne. So when you now want to say grandmother, you say nne, grandmother, nne. Grandfather, nna, grandmother, nne. The next up is sibling. In a family, you always have siblings, okay? So when you want to say sibling, you say nwanne, sibling, nwanne. So when you want to talk about my sibling, you say nwannem, my sibling, nwannem. When you want to say your sibling, you say nwanne gi, okay? Here, gi means your. Nwanne gi, your sibling. Nwanne gi, sibling means nwanne, sibling. So when you want to talk about my sibling, when I want to talk about my sibling now, I have a sibling and I want to talk about my sibling, I will say nwannem. Take note of the nwannem. See, I'm not personalizing the sibling to myself. Nwannem, my sibling. But when I want to talk about your sibling, I will say nwanne gi, your sibling. Nwanne gi. Understood? Okay, ejim n'aka na unu ghọtara ihe ndị a na-ekwugasị. N'ịga n'iru, anyị nwekwara ndị a na-akpọ gịnị? Uncles. When we talk about your uncle, you say nwanne nnem maọbụ nwanne nnam. Let me explain. I know in English language you just refer to an uncle as an uncle, but in Igbo language you have to tell us whether the uncle is from your father's side or from your mother's side, okay? You have to differentiate it. You have to tell us the uncle you're talking about, is he from your father's side or is he from your mother's side? So when you want to talk about your uncle from your father's side, you say nwanne nnam. That means you're talking about your uncle from your father's side. Understood? Let's take it like this. Remember that I said nwanne means sibling, alright? Nwanne means what? Sibling. Nwanne, sibling. So I also told you that nna means father. Nna means what? Father. So see it, nwanne nnam, my father's sibling. Okay? And your father's sibling is your uncle. That is, if he is the male, is your uncle. So that is how we derived this one. Nwanne nnam, my father's sibling, which is my uncle. Nwanne nnam, my uncle. But if your uncle is from your mother's side, you say nwanne nnem. You just change the nna now to nne. Nwanne nnem, my uncle. Nwanne nnem, my uncle. Okay? If your uncle is from your father's side, how to differentiate to the person you are talking to, that this person I'm telling you about is my uncle from my father's side, you will say nwanne nnam. But when you are talking about your uncle from your mother's side, you say nwanne nnem. Understood? Alright, I've come to the end of today's video. If you love this video, please give me thumbs up and see you in my next video. Remain blessed. Ngwanụ, abịala m na njedebe onyonyo nke taa. Ọ bụrụ na ị hụrụ onyonyo nke taa n'anya, biko wenyere m mkpịsị aka gị abụọ elu sị m ugbo oyibo imeela, jide ka iji. Ka chi bi n'eluigwe gọzie unu, chekwaba unu, nye unu ọmụmụ nwoke, ọmụmụ nwaanyị, nye unu akụ na ụba. Ya gazie.